Good afternoon. Today I'm baling up hay. It's been cut down for the last, I want to say, week. Yeah, we're square baling small square bales over on another field. I'm round baling here. We're going to do another 250 small squares, and then I'll be baling the rest up as round. So yeah, I'll carry on here a minute. I've done 20 bales so far, round ones, so in this field, still going around the ditch at the moment. So yeah, we'll carry on and see how we get. If we look at the grass we've got here, it's all nice and dry. As you can see, it's dry, or very dry actually. It's been tedded out this morning and then raked up. Yeah, they're heavy enough. We're chopping them with a set of knives in the baler, so yeah, we'll chop them into, I want to say, 4-inch lengths. No, the knives are set at like 1 inch apart, so that's this field done. The last bale wasn't quite a full bale, but it's still got some weight in it and not much different in size to the other ones. So I've now got a leak on the baler. One of the hydraulic hoses out the back of the tractor's splitting. Yeah, so go back to the farm in a minute and see if we can sort that out. See if we got a hose, or see where it goes first. See if we got a hose that will do it. The one that's split is for the tailgate anyway, which is one of the main ones we want. I've traced the pipe back. The one that's got the leak is this one, top one, so a leak in there, so it's washing out everything else over the other ones and over the back of the tractor. So traced it back, goes back to here. So I'm going to pinch. No, I can't pinch that one. I have to see what I can find to fit on that and then go from there. Now going to try it. Yeah, start the tractor up, see if that hose leaks before I put it all the way through. That hose is exactly the same. Let's see if I can find another hose. I'm in the last field for baling. I've still got another 2-3 hours left in here. Oh, they're heavy. Yeah, this crop is so tall. I've had to swap tractors as well because we had a problem with the other tractor. So I got our 5713 loader tractor. But yeah, grass is now starting to come in a bit damp because the sun's now starting to disappear. Yeah, so, and it's very tall as well, and it's bunching up underneath the tractor as you're going, so there's a lot of forwards and backwards, so yeah, we'll leave it at that on today's. I couldn't get the drone up because the airport is literally right there. I can see the tower from here, so I can't put the drone up, which would have been nice. But yeah, that's today's video. Yeah, so the inside of the baler, as you can see, down, I'm not going to go under that, down there you can see the blades, 16 blades there. So yep, that'll be it for today. I'm now going to make my way home. In between, yeah, so in between jobs, between baling and swapping the tractors over, I've had to pick up some square bales. So yeah, that's it for today. If you if you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.